Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get 4K quality from your videos in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. Now, firstly, what I want you to keep note of is that you cannot get a higher quality video than the video that you recorded originally is in. So if you recorded it in 1080p, the end result will be in 1080p. It might look a bit smoother, but it really doesn't make a huge difference. The program itself cannot upscale the quality of the video that you have entered. It can only create a higher quality video itself. However, the footage that you show will still be in 1080p or in any quality that is not 4K. However, if you have created 4K and you want to keep the 4K quality once you edit the video, once you've imported the video, put it here and edit it out, once you export it, you have the option to select 4K. However, as you can see by this diamond icon, it does require a premium subscription to Clipchamp. So all you have to do to export, once you have a premium membership, just click this, and then under your downloads, you will see a 4K quality video of the video that you have edited, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.